Lesson 8, Session 2, Plan a clear and safe video diary. Hello, Grade 6 learners. Welcome to Session 2. In this session, we will learn how to plan a clear, meaningful, and safe video diary. Before we start recording, we need to think about several important things: our topic, purpose, audience, privacy, and the order of our ideas. A good video diary is not simply about recording ourselves. It is about sharing a message in an organized and responsible way. So, let us learn how to plan our video diary carefully. Choosing a safe and meaningful topic. The first step is to choose a safe and meaningful topic. Your topic should be something that you can talk about honestly and comfortably. You might choose a future goal, something you are grateful for, a meaningful trip, a hobby or skill, or a book or movie that influenced you. Remember, you do not have to share everything about yourself. Choose a topic that is interesting and meaningful, but always protect your privacy and safety. For example, you can talk about a memorable trip without revealing your exact home address or travel schedule. Purpose and audience shape your choices. After choosing your topic, think about your purpose and audience. Ask yourself, why am I making this video and who will watch it? Your purpose helps you decide what message you want to share. Your audience also affects the way you present your ideas. For example, if your audience is your classmates, you may use friendly explanations and examples they can easily understand. If your audience is your family, you may use a warmer tone and include shared memories, as long as you have permission. So remember, topic, purpose, audience, details, and tone should work together. Privacy, consent, and respect. When creating a video diary, always remember privacy, consent, and respect. Never reveal sensitive information such as your home address, passwords, daily schedule, private documents, or another person's secrets. If another person will appear in your video, ask for permission first. You can also use alternatives. Instead of showing someone's face, you can show a drawing, an object, your hands, or use a voiceover. The most important rule is this: you can share your story without forcing anyone else to become part of it. Being a responsible content creator means respecting yourself and other people. Planning outline. Now let us create a planning outline for our video diary. Start by writing your topic or title. Then identify your purpose and audience. Next, think about the important questions your video should answer. You should also decide what viewers will see, hear, or read, such as photos, captions, narration, or close-up shots of objects. Finally, plan your editing sequence. Ask yourself, what comes first? What comes next? What comes last? Planning these parts before recording will help make your video clear and organized. Beginning, middle, ending structure. A well-organized video diary usually has three main parts: beginning, middle, and ending. In the beginning, greet your audience and introduce your topic. Tell them why you are sharing it. In the middle, present 2 or 3 important details, examples, or reflections. Make sure your ideas are connected to your topic. In the ending, share your takeaway, feeling, question, or future goal. Leave your audience with a clear message. Remember, if you have too many ideas in the middle, you may need to narrow your topic. A simple and organized video is often easier to understand. Storyboard or script. Narration. There are different ways to prepare for recording. One option is a storyboard. A storyboard uses boxes to show what will happen in each scene. You can draw or describe what viewers will see. Another option is a script. A script contains the words you plan to say. You can also include notes for pauses, expressions, sounds, or visual effects. You may also use speaking notes. Instead of writing complete sentences, you can write important keywords to guide your speaking. Choose the method that helps you express your ideas naturally and confidently. You can also use simple markers such as pause, show drawing, object close-up, or soft voice to guide your recording. Peer Planning Conference. Before you record your video diary, it is helpful to ask a classmate to review your plan. Your partner can check 4 important things: clear, relevant, safe, and engaging. First, is your topic, purpose, and audience clear? Second, are your details relevant to your message? Third, does your plan protect your privacy and respect other people? And fourth, what can make your message more interesting and easier to understand? You can use this feedback frame. One strong part is, one unclear or unsafe part is, one suggestion is. Remember, good feedback helps us improve our work before we record. Plan carefully, stay safe, and share your story with respect. And that brings us to the end of Lesson 8, Session 2. Today, we learned that a good video diary begins with careful planning. We learned how to choose a meaningful topic, identify our purpose and audience, protect privacy, ask for consent, organize our ideas, and prepare a storyboard, script, or speaking notes. Most importantly, remember, think before you record. Plan your message. Protect your privacy, respect others, and share your story responsibly. Excellent work, Grade 6 learners. I hope you are now ready to plan your own clear, meaningful, and safe video diary. See you in our next session. Let's check what you have learned in Session 2. For each question, listen carefully and choose the letter of the best answer. You may pause the video if you need more time to think. Let's begin. Question 1. What is the best first step in creating a video diary? Is it A, add music, B, publish online, C, choose a safe and meaningful topic, or D, copy a creator? Think about what you learned. Before recording, you need to decide what your video will be about. Question 2. Why is it important to identify your target audience? Is it A, to choose appropriate details and style, B, to make the file larger, C, to avoid having a purpose, or D, to remove the ending? Remember, your audience affects the way you present your message. Question 3. Which of the following belongs in a useful content plan? A, passwords, B, a home address, C, unrelated jokes, or D, questions and an editing sequence. A good content plan helps organize your ideas and keeps your video focused. Question 4. Before including another person in your video, what should you do? Is it A, record secretly, B, ask permission, C, share private information, or D, post without review? Always remember, other people have a right to privacy and consent. Last question. Which topic treatment is appropriate for a video diary? A, mock a tradition. B, reveal someone's secret. C, respectfully explain a family activity. Or D, show private documents. A good video diary should be meaningful while showing respect for people and their privacy. Now let's check your work. Excellent work! Let's remember the important ideas from this session. Choose a meaningful topic, know your purpose and audience, organize your ideas, protect privacy, ask for consent, and communicate respectfully. These simple steps will help you create a video diary that is not only interesting, but also clear, safe, and responsible. Great job, everyone! You are now ready to plan your own video diary. Keep learning, keep creating, and keep shining.